So I want to take a few minutes and talk about something that happened recently that really upset me. And also, if you've never seen any of my videos, I've been a stenographer for 15 years, and I'm also learning how to use Caracorder for fun. And just in case you're not familiar with what a stenographer is or what a Caracorder is, let me give you a quick little introduction.
Selection and interpretation of the evidence that controls in the case. What the lawyers say is not binding upon you. Also, do not assume from anything I may have done or said during the trial that I have any opinion concerning any of the issues in this case. Except for the instructions to you on the law, you should disregard anything I may have.
I mean, it's pretty amazing to see Caracorder keep up with high speeds like that. Speeds that can typically only be reached by a stenographer using a steno machine. So I obviously had to buy a Caracorder and see for myself, right? Caracorder is still fairly new, so not a lot of people know about it, and especially in the steno community, it's not well known yet. Based off of the comments that I've seen from other stenographers about Caracorder, it seems to be a big threat, and I just don't understand why. Up until Caracorder, there's never really been anything that can keep up with a stenographer that doesn't use steno in any way. It's amazing. What if Caracorder could get more people interested in stenography and be used in the stenography profession? I mean, what's the worst that could happen? All of a sudden we have a new generation of stenographers that use Caracorder and the profession is replenished? Now let's talk about what upset me. I discovered that there was a steno Discord server that had a mix of professional stenographers as well as steno hobbyists. And I also discovered that they had an entire channel that was dedicated just to talking shit about Caracorder. There were so many mean, toxic, hurtful comments in there, I was completely blown away. But some of those members came over to the Caracorder Discord server and we had really good conversation and we talked about misconceptions and some misinformation and everything went really well. What I would really like to do is bridge the gap in between the steno community with professional stenographers and steno hobbyists and the Caracorder community. Because guess what? The Caracorder community absolutely loves stenographers. They adore stenographers. There's so much respect. It's amazing. So let's work together and educate each other and learn, and let's be friends.